All right, everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So today I went ahead and finished off the lights that I was working on from yesterday by myself, besides my coworker helping me mount this strut and moving the bar, which I'll explain here in a second. But basically, right exactly when I finished, my boss came over and said, hey, they want these lights moved. So basically had to start over, cut that pipe in half, and then extend it with however long it was, a couple feet over, re-pull the wire, remake up the plug, rewire the switch. Well, it's not really a switch anymore, but the junction box. So right exactly when I finished, I had to start over. Not exactly start over, but I had to redo my work and then remake it up and all that stuff. So same thing on the second one, actually all three of them, but the second one, my perfect triple 90, back to back 90, had to cut it in half, very sad, extend that one with, I think that one was 28 inches or something like that, 38 inches, and then same thing, re-pull the wire, remake up the plug for the light, and then remake up the junction box as well. That one might need another support, but we'll see. And then the third one, luckily we didn't start on that one really. Basically going off of that iron back there, moved it over to this bar right here, and then this guy welded it in for us. So I didn't have to drill into that one, luckily, but he welded it really crooked, I'm not gonna lie. So it's pretty janky, as you can see here in a second, but was gonna mount the lights off that bottom bar, going sideways left and right, and now it's above it, and it's just gonna be right above where it needs to be for the tires, but as you can see, that bar is hanging down very crooked. But anyways, I did mount the strut to it, or he welded the strut, but I did had the 10-foot piece across. It was going to be 20, but because I moved it, it became a shorter piece, which is nice. And then I'll work on that tomorrow if I'm at this job site. All right, everyone, thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. Like I said, I might be at that job site tomorrow at the second half of the day, but I'm going to a new job site to help finish up a job site. I don't know if I'm doing some underground digging, it sounded like, but we're also going to be installing this ginormous ceiling fan. I would assume it might be a warehouse, but I'm not sure. So anyways, I'll keep you posted on that. And then, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, if you did, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Love to see you guys back in the next video, and it would help grow the channel. My giveaway ends tomorrow for the $50 giveaway on Cash App / PayPal, so check that out. It's probably like 7 videos back by now. And that should do it. Check the description for anything else like social medias, my second YouTube channel, and video playlist. Hit the notification bell to be hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. That's going to do it, guys. Thank you so much. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. I will be trying to work on the Corvette video, but right now it's 30 minutes long, and I don't have that much space on my phone to save it, even if I wanted to, but obviously going to edit it down. Might do a long version of 30 minutes, but also I'm going to do a really short version, probably like 5 minutes or whatnot, or 10 minutes maybe. So I'm going to try to work on that, but I have to clear some space off my phone because I have the smallest storage on my iPhone, which is sad. So anyways, that'll do it, guys. See you in the next video. Peace out.